Hello everyone and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Polo style we've currently got for sale, finished in deep black pearlescent paint. It features the brilliant 1.0 TSI petrol engine producing 95 PS, and that's mounted to a 5-speed manual gearbox as well. Being an approved used car for myself, you will get your 2 years warranty, 2 years roadside assistance, 2 years MOT cover and much more. But if you need any more information throughout the video, please call us on 01270 864 452. So the front there, you've got your full LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. So they're IQ Light Matrix multi-beam, so absolutely fantastic vision there. Running down the side of the car, you got these lovely 16-inch Palermo alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly. You've got power folding heated mirrors to the side as well for extra convenience. Just going to jump into the rear of the vehicle now. Just got your signature style seats there with the two-tone with the stripes down the side. You've got ISOFIX points on the outer seats as well, and the contrasting white stitch in there. There's a couple of USB ports at the back, so your rear passengers can charge the devices while on the move. There's a little bit of storage in the back of the front seats there as well for any magazines or iPads. Just moving to the rear of the vehicle now, you've got a huge amount of boot space on offer with the adjustable boot floor carrying in its lowest setting. And you have 60/40 split folding seats available as well, so plenty of room there for multiple suitcases or any further luggage. Do get front and rear parking sensors fitted as standard as well, make it nice and easy to park up. You've got total peace of mind there. I'm just going to jump into the front of the vehicle now. Just going to give you an overview of these lovely seats. You've got your height adjustment there. Also lumbar support and the centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times. Got a little bit of ambient lighting on the top of the doors and also in the dashboard as well. And a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. That concludes your 360 walk around. Just going to jump behind the wheel now and go through some interior features. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure you do click the button below for more content. Just behind the wheel now on the left hand side, you get volume controls and your adaptive cruise control settings, as well as your assistance systems on board such as your lane assist. On the right hand side controls all information on this beautiful digital display, which is fully customisable depending on what information you want to view. You can have a set of navigation maps there and all your different driving data as well, such as your range, miles per gallon and much more. Just moving on to the brilliant infotainment screen now. You've got gesture control as you saw there, and your digital radio, so plenty of storage there for your favourite radio stations. There's a huge range of options to choose from the DAB station list as well to keep you entertained on the move. And you've got multiple media inputs, a couple of USB ports, and of course your Bluetooth connectivity for your phone calls and also music streaming. Got Saturn navigation on board with spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. It also shows points of interest such as petrol stations, car parks, restaurants and much more. And alongside this, you've also got the App Connect system giving you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and this allows you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more, so absolutely fantastic system there. And your front and rear parking sensor screen, your guidelines and also audible warnings, you can keep that paintwork in top condition. A little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control on offer to keep the driver and passenger comfortable at all times. It's nice and easy to use by using the sliding touch bar there, and you can sync it to the passenger side as well, so nice and easy to use even whilst driving. And just below there you've got a little bit of storage as well as a couple of USB ports to charge multiple devices on the move. Down the centre there you've got a couple of cup holders and a little bit of storage under the armrest as well for any valuables you might want to keep out of sight. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this car or would like to book in for a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team on 01270 864 452. They'll be more than happy to assist further. Don't forget to ask about our flexible finance options on this car as well. Once again, thanks so much for watching and take care.